Hello and welcome to CEC Less Than a Minute. In this video we're going to be talking about three words. The first one is either, the second one is neither, and the third one is both. So when we talk about either, we mean one of the two things or people, and when we talk about neither, we mean not either one of the two things or people, and then when we talk about both, we mean both of the two things or people. So let me give you an example with either. So you can say, you can watch me either on YouTube or on Instagram. When it comes to neither, we say, he neither likes football nor basketball, which means he doesn't like any of these two sports. And then we go to both. You can find me both on YouTube and on Instagram. I hope you got that. Thank you for watching.